Once again, welcome to all. So let us prove some more simple properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So you don't have to think that we have to prove so many properties. See, these are very simple properties. So once you have to work out and understand the concepts. So these are all very simple properties. So we need these properties in proving the problems. So especially this third one is, see, this third one is we frequently use this in solving the problems. So we shall prove these three results. Prove that 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Also 2 tan inverse x can be written as cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Also it is written as tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So these are the restrictions. So which we are observing on the screen. See, left hand side all the terms are same, 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x can be written like this: sine inverse of, cos inverse of, tan inverse of. So you have to remember by writing all these results perfectly. So we need all these results in proving certain results in future. Okay, so now I will, in this class I will prove these three results, so which are based on first PUC formulas. So let us consider the first one here. See, first result. What is the result? 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. And condition is, see, condition is mod x is less than or equal to 1. So here, uh, one more question we can expect from this as, see, once it was asked in the paper, write the values of x for which, the result, see the result, this result was given in the paper. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square holds good. So for what condition this result holds good? So our answer should be, for 1 mark, see here our answer is mod x, is less than or equal to 1. For this condition this result holds good. So another question, write the value of x for which the result 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square holds good. So what is the result for what is the condition? So we have to write x greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, you can expect another question, for what values of x the result 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by this one, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square holds good. Then what we have to write? So we have to write x is greater than minus 1 less than 1. So like this we can also expect it for 1 marks. So once it was asked in the paper. Okay, now let us concentrate on the proofs here. So very simple proofs. So I will consider one by one. So I will prove the first one here. See, first one is, what is on the left hand side? 2 tan inverse x. Observe that. So as we proved some of the theorems there, so let us consider that tan inverse x as theta. Then we shift this tan inverse to right hand side. I get x is equal to tan theta. So I replace x by tan theta. Okay. Now consider the right hand side. So that right hand side is the what? Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So I can replace this sin inverse of, see, 2x means what? Tan theta divided by 1 plus x square. X square means tan square theta. So then I can write this as sin inverse of, see, observe here. So what is the quantity inside the bracket? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So what is the formula? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta means, this we have to remember. This is sin 2 theta. See, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So that becomes sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta, that will be 2 theta. So 2 theta means, I got what? 2 theta. So 2 So theta means what? Tan inverse x. So this was our LHS. So this is about the first result. See, 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So here what we have done here is simply, so instead of x I can take what? Tan theta. That's it. So here in this right hand side you put x is equal to tan theta, then what it becomes? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, then I will get this 2 tan inverse x. So similarly we can prove second one and third one. So let us consider the second one here. Okay, second one is, so see, second one is same, 2 tan inverse x is equal to, so right hand side is cos inverse of, so consider cos inverse of, this right hand side is what? 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, then I can this, see here, so this is 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So here you can write here, so instead of x I can substitute, put x is equal to tan theta, then what happens here? Cos inverse of, see, 1 minus, so x means tan theta, so x square means tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. See, so substituting x is equal to tan theta, I get cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So what is the formula for 1 minus tan square theta and 1 plus tan square theta? You have to remember. So we have proved it, this result in the first PUC. So in the next step, what it becomes? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta means, so that is cos inverse of, see here, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, that is cos 2 theta. That formula was cos 2 theta. So that becomes what? 2 theta. So 2 theta means what? We can write tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. So here, so first and second over. So here you can take the third result. So third one is, so here also, there also you can put, let x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so x is equal to, you substitute x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to, so if you bring tan to the other side, it will be what? Tan inverse of x. So then you consider the right hand side there. So I will consider the right hand side, that is consider, see what was given there, tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So I will write this as tan inverse of 2x means what? Tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square 1 minus tan square theta. See, tan inverse of, see this formula, 2 tan theta, I am repeating it, 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. It is the formula for tan 2 theta. See here, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the standard result. So I have substituted x as tan theta and I got tan 2 theta. So this is the formula for tan 2 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta. So that will be what? 2 theta. So 2, so theta means I can write that as tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. This was our RHS. So these are very important results. See, these are important results. So we will need them to prove some of the problems. Okay. So this third one is also, I have proved it. So you go through the proofs. Shall take up some of the examples in the next class.